Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to disable or enable Google Chrome print preview in any Windows PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process and it's work on the all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, 8, 8.1. It's work on the all Windows operating system. First, we check Google Chrome working with our print preview or not. Go to the start, type Google Chrome. Click on the Google Chrome. Google Chrome is open. Now search anything that you want. And here go to the three dots and click on the print. Here we find print. Click on the print or Control P. And here we find Google Chrome print preview is working and we want to disable it. It is very easy. Close this. Close our Google Chrome. Once again go to the start. And this time once again type Google Chrome. Right click on the Google Chrome this time. Here we find open file location. Click on open file location. In file location we find our shortcut, Google Chrome shortcut. Right click on it. Here we find properties. Click on the properties. Next step is go to the YouTube description. Here I give this path or this text. Copy this text. Text is -- disable -- print -- preview or type as it is and Control C or right click on it and copy it. And go to the target. Here we find target. Here we find target. Go to the back of the target. Back of the target after chrome.exe double quote. Make a space and paste it or Control V. I paste it. And here we find -- disable -- print preview. Type as it is. Click on the apply. Click on the continue. Click on the OK. If you want to make a shortcut on the desktop, then right click on this shortcut, send to and desktop create a shortcut. Close it. Here is our shortcut. Double click on it. Once again type Google or anything that you want to search. And after that press Ctrl P on your keyboard or go to these three dots on a Google Chrome and print. And here we find there is no preview. Directly our printer options are open. Our print preview is now disabled. And if you want to enable, remove our path or this text and restart your machine and it is disabled. So guys, this is the simplest way to enable or disable Google Chrome print preview in any Windows PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.